So, hello everyone. Today I have Anuswa Dasu, who has been a member of the TQH family for over a year now. And let's have a chat with her about her journey, the ups, the lows, and the experience, the overall experience during this journey. So, hi Anuswa.
Thank you so much, sir, for a wonderful introduction.
Yeah. Like, tell me about yourself. Like, was it a dream for you to become a writer when you grew up?
Yes, sir, it was a dream for me. I must say it is the biggest dream that I've ever wanted, I think so. And I started writing so at a very early age, but I didn't have that notion that that writing will be such kind of professional thing, or writing will take me to this position. This is a kind of a medium, I must say, to express myself. And that got that came as a realization, or that got into an incorporation laterwards. But initially I was not like that. I just write because I love to write.
So how did you get to know about TQH, and how has your journey been throughout, like from the start?
I'm a very kind of person who like to discover more, who like to invent more. So I kept on searching for more platforms and such. And then the logo of the TQH caught my mind and caught my eye too. And I was like, let's get introduced to this publication house and work further with them. So but normally, like other people, I just went and through the Instagram profile, and I DM'd, and I got connected through Shail Jindal sir through the WhatsApp, via WhatsApp. He gave his number to me over Instagram, and there we connected and we talked further, and he said that yes, we could start this together. We could bring a nice compilation out of here. So now coming to Shail Jindal sir, so he's a great person to me, because he's a kind of motivation and he's a kind of inspiration for me. And sir has always been our side, and sir is someone whom we can trust, like he's the one.
The people of the organization make the organization work. That's right.
Right, sir, right.
Right. So like you talked about the support system. So the
Yes, sir.
best support system is your family. And how has your family responded to you becoming a writer?
Yes, sir. My family, constant support I've got from them, sir. So I think this is the biggest testimony. When we proceed to a new venture, your family is the biggest testimony, and my family is the one. And my parents completely supported me, especially my father. My mother, little bit kind of hesitation she did, that why you are showing a lot of yourself, because since I run my YouTube channel, I had to show myself there. I cannot put the video off, and I cannot speak through my voice, because that won't identify me as one, or as Anuswa Vasu. So my mother had a hesitation that why you are getting yourself into this, putting yourself, but she never kind of said that I will throw you out, I will beat you for this. No, this kind of things I never got from them. And my father is a constant support system. Even so, before coming to this interview, he was constantly saying me that join fast, what you are doing. I was telling him that, okay, let me download the app first, then I will be now. He was saying that, no, you do it first. You open the Wi-Fi, you put it again. So all these kind of things. So all of them, my constant family. So you people are also family. TQH is also part of my family now. Right. So all the families, let it be a virtual one, let it be the one whom I'm living with, all are a biggest support system, I think.
Yeah, that's true. Like having a good support system is very essential for a writer. Yes, and the environment that you need, that is the support system that you get. So like coming to the motivation and inspiration, in the outer world, the field of writing, who was your biggest inspiration or the motivation?
Yes, so it was for me, the author Raskin Bond. He was a biggest motivation for me, because when it comes to author, you don't see the physical appearance, or you don't see the thing a person is. You see his writing. Right. Writing is the first and the top priority when it comes to author. And Raskin Bond was someone who could connect a lot with me, because I could see that time comes, because there are also hardships and travels in our life. But when I read his writing, when I get connected with it, I could see myself getting uplifted from the particular situations. And I think that is very much important. And he could connect a lot with me, and that is a thing. I just love him.
So which are his books that you read the most? Like Raskin Bond is a favorite among the children. So which are the specific books that you read?
Right, so there are so many books, like I couldn't mention one, because I'm just on my way to making a library, because I have a lot of books. Okay. I have, I think, 2 to 3 shelves with his books only, because he's the biggest person to play a role in my life. Okay. But the one which I like the most, I would like to mention that to the other readers also, is the autobiography of himself. that is the Lone Fox Dancing. And I think that that is a masterpiece, because through that I could see him very clearly, like a apt a description I got. And I think that that's very important. I felt emotional. I just cried. And I think that that's the biggest, I think, place that took place in my heart, I think.
Okay. So like you've read many authors. Who is your favorite author other than Ruskin Bond? Like how many authors have you read?
Yes,
Or
I have read more than 500 authors.
okay.
I've read more than 500, and but two of them, like they're the most favorite of mine. One I said, so that is Ruskin Bond. With him I started writing,
Right.
actually. And second, it is Rohinton Mistry.
Okay. And
Yes, sir.
specifically, what genre of book you prefer the most?
Yes, my favorite genre is that is thriller or mystery. But I have always said that if you're a reader, you should not be choosy or like picky kind of thing. I will choose this book, I will read that. No, I said read all kinds of books, and I think that because my father also says that if you get a piece of paper lying on the road, you should pick it up and you should read it, because
Right.
if you're an avid reader, this will be your qualities, this will be your attribute.
I'll come back to the Quill House. So you have been a part
Yes,
of the Quill House family for more than a year.
right,
How many books
right.
have you been associated with, and what are the qualities, like basically what you like about Quill House the most?
So the first most thing is the authenticity or transparency. Whatever we are doing, we just keep on informing the people. We don't hide any part from the publication. Second is, as I said, and the third most thing is that the kind of relation or the kind of bond we share with our fellow people, let it be co-author, let it be, and the kind of attainment that we give them, it is the most important in a publications. And I found this in the Quill House publication that made us the family so much bigger, because when we started the family was small,
Yeah.
with few members, but now the family is growing, and I pray to God that this family grows much more in the upcoming years, because Quill House is such a publication that holds so much trust, so much kind of they are promising, and and you will never be like you will never get offended with it. And I think that this is the, I think the all the particular attributes or characteristics that make it such a big publication.
Lastly, what would you
Yes,
like mentor or say to the fellow writers who want to take up writing but like are looking for the first step? What is your like mentoring to them like?
Yes, so I just want to tell them, sir, keep on writing. Other than that, I cannot write, he's writing better, she's writing better. Rather than doing this, keep on writing, because whatever you are writing, you are no one to judge it. It is into the hands of other people who are going to read you, or who are going to know you better. They will be understanding you better.
Okay. The last one, like
Yes.
on a hard day, what is your go-to solution to come out of, like, there might be some days where you can't think of something to write or anything like that. So what is your go-to solution to do?
Many hard things that we face, and hardships are very much a part of our life, and so we face a lot over it. And so, and I feel that this is the part of our life, and we should fight back. The only thing I want to say is that fight back. Without fighting, we cannot stay in any field. Yes.
Yeah, it was nice talking to you. I understood a lot of
Thank
things
you so
about your
much.
journey. Yeah.
Thank you. And so I want to tell everyone out there that if they're waiting outside, like thinking of joining any publications or starting their first compilation or solo book, or other things that they need, so we Quill House Publication are planning a lot of things to bring in front of all, so that we can like flourish much more, and we can bring a lot of ways to the people so that they connect. So I would say everyone, and suggest that please come and join our publications. We will be waiting for you all out there. The last thing that I want to say.
Right.
And
Very
thing
true.
that
Very true.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank
Yes.
you.